Sustainable Development Goals. In 2015, the General Assembly of UN United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). These are based on the principle of leaving none behind, where it emphasizes a holistic approach to achieve SDGs. The 17 SDGs were laid to transform the world into a better place to live for everyone. These goals recognize that ending poverty and other deprivations must go hand in hand with strategies that improve health and education, reduce inequality, and spur economic growth, all while tackling climate change and working to preserve our oceans and forests. 1. No poverty. Goal 1. 38% of Africa's population live under extreme poverty. The first Sustainable Development Goal is to end poverty in all its forms everywhere. 2. Zero hunger. Goal 2. 795 million people don't have access to enough nutrition. The second Sustainable Development Goal is to end hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. 3. Good health and well-being. Goal 3. 3 lakh women die each year from pregnancy complications. Third Sustainable Development Goal is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages. 4. Quality education. Goal 4. Today, 750 million adults can't read and write. The fourth Sustainable Development Goal is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. 5. Gender equality. Goal 5. 7 in 10 women experience physical or sexual violence. The fifth Sustainable Development Goal is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. 6. Clean water and sanitation. Goal 6. 1 in 3 people globally don't have access to safe drinking water. The sixth Sustainable Development Goal for the world is to ensure available and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. 7. Affordable and clean energy. Goal 7. 600 million people in the world lack access to modern electricity. The seventh Sustainable Development Goal is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. 8. Decent work and economic growth. Goal 8. More than 204 million people remain unemployed. 8. Sustainable Development Goal for the world is to promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Goal 9. 2.4 billion people lack access to basic sanitation. The ninth Sustainable Development Goal is to develop quality, reliable, sustainable and resilient infrastructure, including regional and trans-border infrastructure to support economic development and human well-being with focus on affordable and equitable access for all. 10. Reduced inequalities. Goal 10. The richest 1% earn 22% of total global income. The 10th Sustainable Development Goal for the world is to reduce inequality within and among countries. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. Goal 11. Cities account for over 70% of global carbon emissions. 11th Sustainable Development Goal for the world is to make cities and human settlements safe, resilient, and sustainable. 12. Responsible consumption and production. Goal 12. On average, each person wastes 120 kilograms of food per year. The 12th Sustainable Development Goal ensures sustainable consumption and production patterns. It aims to achieve efficient use of natural resources and reduce global food waste at retail and consumer level. 13. Climate action. Goal 13. Climate-related disasters cost $520 billion each year. 13th Sustainable Development Goal is to take urgent actions to combat climate change and impacts. 14. Life below water. Goal 14. Land-based activities cause 80% of marine pollution. The 14th Sustainable Development Goal is life below water. This SDG aims at conserving and sustainably using the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. It aims to reduce water pollution and protect and restore ecosystems. 15. Life on land. Goal 15. 22% of all known animal species are facing extinction. The 15th Sustainable Development Goal is life on land. This SDG aims to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, and combat desertification. It aims to conserve ecosystems, end deforestation, and protect biodiversity. 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Goal 16. Every minute, 20 people are displaced due to conflict or persecution. The 16th Sustainable Development Goal is to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. 17. Partnerships for the goals. Goal 17. Many developing countries are facing debt crisis. The 17th Sustainable Development Goal is partnerships for the goals. The SDGs can only be achieved with a strong commitment to global partnership and cooperation.